Hi, and welcome to this new video from Athena Quant. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a powerful and honestly an often missed signal that's hidden deep inside the market's fear gauge. This is a signal that can literally give you a heads up before major turbulence strikes, so you're definitely going to want to stick around for this.
All right, so let's set the scene. I want you to picture this. It's early February 2018. You look at the stock market, and everything seems, well, perfect. It's totally calm. The VIX, the market's so-called fear gauge, is basically asleep at the wheel. But what almost nobody realized was that just beneath that calm surface, a massive storm was brewing.
So on February 1st, it's just another day, business as usual. But then, fast forward to the afternoon of the 2nd, something weird happens. A strange, pretty rare signal flashes on the screen, and almost no one even sees it. And then, bam, Monday, February 5th, all-out chaos. The VIX doesn't just, go up a little bit. It explodes. It more than doubled in a single day. It was so intense that traders ended up calling it Volmageddon.
I mean, this move was so violent, it wiped out billions of dollars. It caught literally almost everyone by surprise. It was like a hurricane appearing out of a clear blue sky. So the question is, the big question, right? How could anyone have seen this coming?
Well, here's the thing. There was a warning sign, a super clear signal that flashed bright red a full 72 hours before the crash. And the secret, get this, it wasn't about how high or low the VIX was. Nope, it was hidden in something much deeper, a concept that, frankly, most traders just completely ignore.
And that brings us to the hero of our story, the VIX term structure. Now I want you to just forget about that single VIX number you always see on the news for a second. The term structure is all about the relationship between VIX futures contracts, the ones that expire at different times. In simple terms, think of it as the market's own weather forecast for future volatility.
And honestly, if you take away only one thing from this, let it be this. The pros know that just staring at whether the VIX is at 15 or 20, that's a rookie mistake. The real, juicy predictive information is hidden in the shape of that futures curve. That shape is what tells you what the market is really thinking and feeling.
Okay, so what are these shapes I keep talking about? Well, the curve usually hangs out in one of two main states, and each one tells a totally different story. It's kind of like the market has two modes, a calm mode and a fear mode.
So, the official names for these states are contango and backwardation. Contango is the normal, healthy, everyday state of affairs. It just means traders expect things to be a little more uncertain way out in the future than they are right now, which makes sense, right? But backwardation, that's the opposite. It's an inverted, stressed-out state where the market is basically screaming that there's a threat, right here, right now.
Let's look at what this actually looks like. Here's contango. See how the price for volatility right now, in the near term, is lower than it is for the future? This creates this nice, gentle, upward-sloping curve. You can really think of it like a calm sea, or maybe, just maybe, there are some potential storms way off on the distant horizon. Okay, now this is the big one. This is the danger signal. In backwardation, the whole thing flips upside down. The curve inverts. Suddenly, near-term volatility is way more expensive than future volatility. What that means is the market is freaking out and paying a massive premium for protection right now. The storm isn't on the horizon anymore, it's breaking right on top of you.
The crazy part is, the market spends about 80% of its time in that nice, calm contango state. And that's exactly why backwardation is such a critical signal. Because it's so rare, it's a huge red flag that the whole personality of the market has just changed. So when you see that flip happen, you got to pay attention.
Okay, so now that we know all this, let's go back to that 2018 mystery. Let's solve this thing. Let's look at what the VIX curve was actually doing in the final hours right before that crash.
So check this out. On February 1st, the curve was in a super steep, healthy contango. Everything looked great, totally normal. But then, look what happens on the afternoon of February 2nd. Even though the VIX level itself was still super low, the curve, the shape itself, it quietly flipped from positive to negative. It slipped into backwardation. That was the warning shot. By the time the VIX finally exploded on that Monday, the curve was already screaming, in a state of extreme panic.
And this is the crucial point, right? This wasn't a surprise attack from the market. The term structure gave a clear, a 72-hour advance warning before all the chaos started. The signal was right there, hiding in plain sight for anyone who knew to look at the shape of the curve and not just the VIX number.
And you better believe this is the lesson that Volmageddon burned into the minds of professional traders everywhere.
A low VIX number can fool you, it can be really deceiving, but the shape of that futures curve, yeah, that rarely, if ever, lies.
So that's the history lesson. But how can you actually use this really powerful insight? Let's turn this story into a practical tool you can use to read the market's mood in real time.
I want you to think of this table as your own personal market weather forecast. It's actually pretty simple. You just look at the slope between the near-term and far-term VIX futures, and it tells you what's going on. If you've got a steep positive slope, say over 15%, that's clear skies, my friend, a really bullish environment. As that curve starts to flatten out, getting closer to zero, well, the weather's changing. Time to be cautious. And when that slope flips negative, especially if it gets below minus 10%, that's when the alarm bell should be going off.
And hey, if you want an even simpler way to think about it, just picture a traffic light. Contango, that's your green light. The market is stable, conditions are good for your normal trading strategy. A flat curve, that's a yellow light. You know what to do. Slow down, maybe trim your position sizes, just be more cautious. And backwardation, well, that's a big, bright red light. It means stop. It's time to play defense and protect your capital.
Look, at the end of the day, the market is constantly sending out signals. It's always communicating its hopes, its fears, its expectations. And signals like the VIX term structure, they're out there, giving us clues about what might be just around the corner. Now, are they crystal balls? Of course not. But they are incredibly powerful tools for managing your risk. So, the only question left is, are you listening? Are you tuned in to the right frequency?